Oh, wow. The other day we had a storm and the dogs were really frightened. Now, it was through the day and I was at work, but the windows were partly open and the dogs tried to get in the window. And as a result, they've kind of eaten the window trying to get in. Let me show you. Alright, so this is the window, this is the middle one, so we've got two sliding doors either side, and this one doesn't have a fly screen, and you can see where they were so panicked trying to get in that they've damaged all the sill of the window. I'll have to go outside and have a look and see what they've done. There is a bit down there. Alright, let's have a look at the damage outside. Yeah, there's claw marks, but the outside of this, it just looks horrendous. So what I thought I'd do today, apart from replace the entire window, which just isn't going to happen, I need to putty that up in such a way that the window still closes. Hey Emily, you come to help? Anyway, let's get to it. Oh, and I'm going to try and make some yogurt today. So I've got the window propped out, and you just have to be really careful that you don't pull it out too far because it's hinged in at the top and the window will just come down. Alright, let's get sanding. So you probably think I've just lost the plot putting a whole heap of Glad wrap on the window. So I've basically made a box form and I've lined it with Glad wrap so that I can actually peel it off, and the what I've made the form out of doesn't actually pull the putty away from it. So I'll show you a little look at what I'm going to fill in. So here's the Glad wrap. And just in there, so I just need to make it so that it's nice and even and flat and doesn't look like it's a series of ski slopes. And I've got this brilliant stuff. It's a putty, but it's a powder putty, so you can make it as thick or as runny as you like. It's not specifically designed for timber. Hey Albie. Hey fella. Hi. But it's perfectly serviceable for timber, for metals, for floorboards. I've used it a lot. Hey Arnold. Hey fella. Hi. Hi, do you want a tummy rub? Is that why you're down there like that? Do you want a tummy rub? Hi. Oh, you're pushing in. Alright, so I came across a bit of a dilemma. And my dilemma is that the filler won't fill in that trim underneath. So what I've done is I've got a piece of dowel, and that is going to fit in there. I'm going to screw it in place, and then the difference I can just finish with the... What's the matter, Arnold? What's the matter? Eh? So then the difference I'm just going to fill in with the putty, and hopefully we'll have a window that looks like a window. I've got my bit of dowel in, and now I just need to putty it up just so that it forms nice and square. Sand it back, or let it dry, sand it back, and then paint it, and hopefully it'll look like a window that's never been eaten by a dog. But that's alright, I can't blame them. It was a thunderstorm and I wasn't home and they were frightened. That's what happens with dogs, they get frightened. So you have to look past the paintwork because it's not going to be that colour, but that looks like a perfectly good windowsill. Really pleased with it. And you, Mr. Magoo, hey, you, Mr. Arnold, hey, he's getting old. No more eating windows. No more eating windows. Are you missing out, are you, Albie? Alright, you can have a pat too. This was just a little update on what I've been up to, how the things are progressing. The deck's down, but you'll see all the works in progress in a little bit, just a little bit. Hit the subscribe button if you're enjoying watching me renovate my house and get a little insight into my nursing brain. Hit the bell notification, hit the bell icon. It's not a bell notification, it's a bell icon, but you have to subscribe first. So subscribe, hit the bell icon, and you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Thanks so much for watching.